Hello world, PDR coming at you here with a brand new Tesla, and it got in a collision with the edge of somebody's garage. And this right here, what you're seeing is just the plastic. So we'll do our best. What I'm going to try to do on this one, you see I've already gotten the little plastic trim taken off. It has a bunch of little release factory plugs, and I'm back behind this plastic right here, so I know I have full access to the back side of this. And let's see how much I can actually access. Reach all the way up. Yeah, I got a lot of room up in there. And so basically what we want to do is try to save this film by doing everything from the back. And obviously when I tap, use the nice soft tapper and get this brow down and that top of the brow down when we've got to get some brows down, and get this edge nice and straight, because the majority of the impact is right here. So I do appreciate you clicking on this video, and what we're gonna do is a lot of really slow pushing. I can't use too much heat because of this plastic. I might get the heat gun on it, but I might just work it because we're sitting here at about 70 degrees and I know that the paint is not gonna crack. It's just about working it nice and slow. So we might do some speedies and stuff, but hopefully this one's gonna be a great end result, because what we're looking at now is not that great. So I've got my board set up just hanging off the edge of one of my tools, and I've got it this way because when you have a plastic film that's all over the car, you can't stick your suction cup to it. So I have my Strong Arm XL right there on the window, which is fine, but that arm doesn't come down far enough for my board. I could switch them around and have the Strong Arm, but then I wouldn't have the umbrella. So what we're gonna do is run this line, this one up here, this little I don't know, 4-inch area. This whole area down here, this whole body line has to be recreated. Get it all nice and looking good. Keep you guys in for as much as possible, but other than that, we'll see you in just a bit. Okay guys, here's what we ended up with. It's got a little wave. I mean, this piece of plastic was hit pretty hard, and when I started looking at this very carefully, it's got some paint damage up underneath this plastic. So I didn't want to do anything with removing the plastic or trying to you know, cut it with a razor blade or anything. We don't have the touch up right now anyway, so we're basically not part of that deal. We're just getting the body line out, the dent out, and for the most part to the 90% mark. I wouldn't say I could even go really ham on this line the way I want to. And when I had this underneath, there's an underneath line that I really wanted to straighten out a lot more, but every time I would push on it, it would want to flare this whole panel. So it's, you know, it's a light aluminum panel, and we did our best on this one. I think he'll be very happy with it. If you guys like what you see here, hit that like button and the thumbs uppers, and feel free to share it with other people. Other than that, I'll just say the thing. God bless y'all. Peace.